everyone, welcome back to your channel, The Novel Trading. I am Urvana Kapur, your trading psychologist and performance coach. This is the third episode of our series, Emotions While Trading. If you haven't watched the other episodes, then do watch those two after this. So, today I'm going to discuss about an emotion that is most associated with trading, that is greed. Whenever anyone talks about trading, stock market, now even crypto market, the first emotion that comes to one's mind is greed. But do you know how much greed is enough? If no, then do watch this video till the end, as I am going to discuss everything about greed in trading and how exactly to control this emotion while trading. First and foremost, let us discuss what is greed. Greed होती क्या है? By definition, greed is a disappropriate desire for profits और कमाने का लालच उसे हम कहते हैं greed. This is the most common emotion in trading as traders are here to make profit and it is very difficult to decide how much profit is too much profit, right? While optimism is good, there is a thin line between greed and optimism, and that each trader must identify and ensure that it is never crossed. So now let us discuss about what is greed in trading. In trading, greed can be of two types. Greed to keep the money you have and greed to make more money. Greed is not an easy emotion to overcome in trading as it is often based on the instinct to do better, to just get some more, to earn a little more money or to grab just few more points. Greed has the ability to cloud one's mind completely that you will believe that you're thinking rationally as you think it is your instinct guiding you and not your emotions. A trader has to learn to recognize this instinct and develop a trading plan based on rational thinking and not these whims or instincts. If you trade in the market out of greed and you are in this trading business just because you want to make quick money, then you are very close to the process of blowing your account. Because greed is such a strong emotion that it can force you to blow up your whole account in only one trade. So, it is very important to recognize the difference between instincts, optimism, and greed. To further understand what is greed in trading, let us discuss different scenarios in which greed can trigger and influence your decisions. First and the foremost, which is the most important scenario, that is hanging on to winning trade. Every trader has done this in their trading journey. Greed emotion can actually force traders to hang on to a winning position way too long to get every last penny. If you've taken a long position and you see a big green candle, you are never going to close the trade. Your instinct, your greed is always going to force you to stay into that trade to get that last highest point that is possible. But sooner or later, the trend reverses and all the greedy traders get caught. And even a profitable trade ends up being a huge loser. ये आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा जब एक ट्रेड ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट में है, आप फिर भी उस ट्रेड को क्लोज नहीं करते इस होप में, इस ग्रीड में कि मैं और कमा सकता हूँ, अभी भी ग्रीन कैंडल बन रही है, ये और ऊपर जाएगा, मुझे वेट करना चाहिए. ये जो रिएक्शन है ये आपका इमोशन आपको करने पे मजबूर करता है. Second, putting more money in the winning trades. Greed can tend to arise when a trader decides to take advantage of a winning trade by devoting more money to the same trade in the hope that the market will continue to move in his favor. But this is something that never happens. कई बार होता है कि आपने लॉन्ग पोजीशन ली और मार्केट उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रही है तो आप उस ट्रेड के अंदर और मनी लगा लेते हैं या और स्टॉक्स उस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड के खरीद लेते हैं बिकॉज आपको लगता है कि आपका बायस सही था और मार्केट अभी और ऊपर जाएगी. बट ये हमेशा नहीं होता. Thirdly, putting more money in losing trade. Sometimes greed can also surface when traders experiencing a losing trade decide to double down in the hope that throwing more money at the problem will help the position turn positive. But this is not how the market works and they end up losing much more than they should have. So, Greed is a very common emotion in trading, and I don't think so I have to explain much about what is greed. But what my focus should be on how exactly to control this greed and to not let your decisions get affected by this emotion of greed. So, moving on to the next section, that is the recommendations on how to control and monitor your emotion greed. First and the foremost recommendation of mine to every trader is make a proper trading plan. Traders should always have a detailed trading plan to avoid any emotional impulse that may deviate them from the plan. If we have defined rules and we follow them judicially, then there is very less scope for emotions to affect our trading decisions, as rules are defining those decisions. अगर आपने पहले ही डिफाइन करा हुआ है कि आपके टारगेट क्या होंगे, देन ऑटोमेटिकली आप अपना एसएल ट्रेल वहां तक करेंगे या आप अपना टारगेट इन कैश करेंगे, एंड इन दोनों ही सिचुएशंस में आप अपने प्रॉफिट्स हमेशा अचीव करेंगे. अगर मार्केट मूवमेंट की वजह से ग्रीड इमोशन आपको ट्रिगर करता भी है तो वो ट्रेडिंग स्टॉप लॉस का रूल हमेशा आपके प्रॉफिट्स बचा लेगा. That is why I always say make a step by step trading plan with consideration of different scenarios of the market and always follow these rules. Second, risk management. It is very important to learn the risk management principles in trading. I have seen most people only concentrating on learning a 100% profitable strategy. But the important thing to understand is that even if there is a strategy with 50% winning ratio, yes, I'm talking about only 50% winning ratio. If you follow the rules of risk management properly, then you are going to be profitable with that 50% winning ratio strategy as well. So you don't have to find that 100% profitable strategy. You just have to concentrate on the risk management and follow all your rules. So always define your risk capital before and don't ever overuse your capital. This way, even if the market is in a greedy situation, your capital will always be secured. You will never put more money in winning or even losing trade, as discussed in the scenarios of the greed. And that is why your capital will always be secured and you will never overinvest your capital. तो हमेशा पहले ही अपने रिस्क को मैनेज करके रूल्स डिफाइन करो अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी के हिसाब से, और चाहे मार्केट में कुछ भी हो रहा हो उन रूल्स को हमेशा फॉलो करो. थर्ड रिकमेंडेशन इज टू सेट proper target prices. This is another important recommendation in great scenarios. Always set a proper target price based on your trading plan. Every good trading strategy has the rules to assign your targets based on some technical analysis. So, always choose that strategy and set your target price based on that. And once you have set them, don't let the charts or the candles influence you. Unless and until your technical analysis is saying otherwise, always stick to that target price and never ever end the trade manually. I tell this to all my clients that if you are trading based on the rules, then never end the trade manually unless and until there is some major fundamental or technical changes in the chart. So trade लेते ही हमेशा सबसे पहले अपना टारगेट प्राइस और स्टॉप लॉस सेट करें और मार्केट को दोनों में से जो भी अचीव होता है वो अचीव करने दें. ट्रेड को कभी भी खुद मैनुअली बंद मत करो, एज मैनुअली आपके इमोशंस आपको एक्शन लेने पे मजबूर करेंगे, ना कि आपके रूल्स. You can also set multiple targets depending upon your strategy, but always stick to them. Fourth, trail your stop loss. This is a very interesting way of achieving most from the market while sticking to your rules. In this technique, once the market starts moving in your particular direction, then we start trailing the stop loss towards the target price and sometimes even cross it depending upon the market. This way, we are able to achieve the most from the market while securing that we earn profits in that trade and we never lose in that particular trade. There are various technical rules to follow to set your trading stop loss, which we also teach in our technical courses. To know more about it, you can WhatsApp on the given number. Trailing stop losses is found to be very beneficial to actually control your greed emotion, because with trailing stop losses you are walking with the market and you stop just at the right moment and you are able to achieve maximum profit that is possible from that particular situation. Fifth, and the most important that I as a trading psychologist recommend, is making an emotional trading journal. Document all your trades in a journal. It can be Excel sheet or a Google sheet, and also mention if you enter or exit or even overstay in a trade due to greed or any other emotion, as this will help you understand and calculate with numbers how much profits. Trust me, there are mostly losses that you make due to these emotional decisions that are mostly taken against your trading plan rules. Numbers will show you the actual picture. So हमेशा अपने सारे ट्रेड्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे डॉक्यूमेंट करो और उसमें मेंशन करो अगर कोई भी डिसीजन इमोशन की वजह से लिया हो तो, एंड आप खुद देखेंगे कि रूल बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग कितनी प्रॉफिटेबल होती है और इमोशंस की वजह से ट्रेड करने से आप कितने लॉसेस कर सकते हैं. विद दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन. I hope you must have understood what is greed in trading and how it can affect your trading decisions. If you follow all the recommendations that I have suggested, I am sure you will overpower this dominating emotion, greed. As I said in the beginning, there is a very thin line between greed and optimism, and you as a trader must identify it. It is good to be optimistic while trading, but let your rules define that thin line so that your optimism doesn't turn into greed. If you still face any issues, you can book a trading psychology session with me where I will give more specific recommendations for you in particular. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button and share it with your fellow traders. If you have any questions relating to trading psychology or trading mindset, then do comment below. I'll definitely personally answer all your queries. I will be coming up with more solutions to trading psychology problems. So do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates of our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to book a personal trading psychology session, do WhatsApp at the given number. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another emotion to discuss about. Till then, happy trading.